Welcome to the instruction video on how to fill in the electronic application for cost support. General information about the business cost support can be found on the State Treasury's website at valtiokonttori.fi. Temporary cost support for companies compensates for costs incurred by companies that have been significantly affected by the coronavirus pandemic. The second round of applications runs from 21st of December to 26th of February 2021. The fixed-term cost support is intended for companies that meet the following conditions. The company's main line of business is within the scope of the support. The company's turnover has decreased by more than 30% compared to the reference period. The company has salary and fixed costs that are difficult to adjust. If the company's industry is not within the support scope, but other support conditions are met, the company may be granted support at discretion. The company must demonstrate that its financial difficulties are due to the coronavirus pandemic and not regular seasonal variation, for example. Please remember to read these instructions well before completing the application. In order to start a new application, we click here and proceed to authentication. You need to identify yourself with suomi.fi authentication by, for example, using a bank ID or mobile ID. I use a test ID. I continue to service. I select the companies on whose behalf I want to act, confirm and continue to service. On the first page, we ask about the applicant's details. Please make sure that the email address is correct, as the decision will be sent by email. On this page, you should tell about the state of the company before the coronavirus pandemic. Please answer the question about the above-mentioned conditions and continue. Here, we ask about the change in turnover. Cost support is based in the change in turnover. Turnover refers to sales, excluding VAT. The company is entitled to cost support if its business field is in the scope of the support and the company's turnover has decreased by more than 30% compared to the reference period. If the company's industry is not within the support scope, as in this test case, the company may be granted support at discretion. The company must therefore demonstrate that its financial difficulties are due to the coronavirus pandemic. Please answer the question and make sure that you select a maximum 3 reasons that have contributed to the decrease in turnover. And here, describe your reasoning. After this, you fill in the company's sales declared by VAT. If you declare your VAT monthly, the State Treasury receives the information automatically from the State Tax Administration. On the following page, you indicate the costs for which you are claiming compensation. Please check that the company's account number is correct. We receive the employee's salary information directly from the incomes register. Then, you should state the inflexible expenses or losses for every month. Please select the cost type and type in the correct amount. Here, you add previously received subsidies and compensations. When you fill in the application, please add the support known at the time of the application. On the last page, you will find a summary of your application. Please check the information you have provided and send the form by clicking Submit. A copy of your application will be sent to the email address you have provided. For additional information, please visit the State Treasury's webpage. Here, you will also find a list of frequently asked questions about the business cost support, and the cost support counter and contact details for more information. Please remember that the application round for cost support has already started and will end on February 26, 2021.